Hey, what's up guys? In this video, let's review an AppSumo lifetime deal called a TidyCal. TidyCal or TidyCal, depends on how you call it, is basically a customized booking integration or a system. And it's a one-time deal for $29 and you get to own it for life. Calendly is basically an industry standard for scheduling app, like Zoom for online meetings. Calendly is specialized in online scheduling. And if you're on professional plan, you're paying $15 a month versus AppSumo, you're paying a one-time of $29 and you own it for life. I've been using this for a year or so and it works amazingly well. Once you get everything set up, you can create as many different booking type as you want. As an example, I have a 15 minutes, 30, and a 60. And in terms of editing the booking form, you can see here, you can have a title, description, and you can modify the URL as you want. You have all the detailed settings, including durations, minimum meetings, padding. This gives you that buffer time between the meetings and how far user can book me. I set it to 60 days. You can see here right now is June, July, and August. First week after August is how far people can book me till. And move on to the bottom section. In here, you can customize the entire booking form from Monday to Sunday. As you can see here that I only take this type of meeting on Monday and Wednesday between 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. And just for this buffer, I want to set it to 3 hours. Imagine right now is Monday and then it's 1:30 p.m. If I don't set this to 3 hours, someone might be able to book me for 2 p.m. or 3 p.m. So which I don't want that. I wanted to push it to the next day just in case I'm in the middle of something, right? And from there, you can add a new window. You have the options to ask them questions and then redirect them to a certain URL or website or confirmation page, and you can paste your URL here. And most importantly, I want to charge people for this specific booking, either through PayPal or Stripe. Last but not least, I can always hide it as a private booking form in case this is for VIP clients and you just need to update your form, and that's all you need to do. And the menu bar is super simple. There's only 3 options, and the second one is booking. On this page, it's going to present to you all the upcoming booking as well as past booking or canceled bookings. And for integration part of it, for calendars, we have 3 options, which is Google account, Office 365, or Apple account. Once you have a Google account connected, you will see all the calendar options available. You just need to toggle on them and to make it available for reading. And then from there, you can connect your Zoom account. So every time when someone books a meeting with you, it will automatically generate a Zoom call link for them and it will distribute it through email. For payment options, we have PayPal and Stripe. For PayPal, only requires email, and the Stripe requires your publishable key and secret key. And this is somewhere you can find in your Stripe API section. It's going to be 2 lines of code for you to copy paste, and you can integrate your payment method this way. And all the way at the bottom, we have a Zapier. In that case, you can automate a lot of tasks from here. And then you can also throw this contact around into your CRM or email management system. If you want some more video on the Zapier section, drop some comments below. I can definitely make that happen. And definitely consider TidyCal, because for $29 one time, you get to own this app for lifetime and you don't get hooked into a subscription plan like Calendly, $15 a month, right? And all the features that you seek for that TidyCal covers. If that's the case, then don't hesitate. Definitely go get it. I got this app for $19 and the price has already increased to $29 from here. And on AppSumo, you find a good deal, you want to go for it. And if you want a TidyCal, the link is in the description below. And if you purchase from this link, I get a small little kickback or commission, which supports me to keep pushing these videos for you guys. Most importantly, subscribe to the newsletter, because every time when I find a new discovery like this, a new app or some sort of a new tool, I always send out an email to all my subscribers so you get notified firsthand, and I'm going to make a tutorial on top of it. And this is Tario Sultan signing out. I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.